Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix a green screen on your iPhone. All right, let's begin. First, perform a force restart. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button, and press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. This won't erase any of your data and can resolve temporary software glitches. If the issue continues, close all running apps by swiping up from the bottom of the screen and clearing them from the app switcher. Next, open Settings, go to Accessibility, then Display and Text Size, and temporarily turn off auto brightness to see if it improves the display. After that, go to Settings, then Display and Brightness. Adjust the brightness manually and toggle True Tone off to check if the green tint disappears or becomes less noticeable. If that doesn't help, reset your settings. Go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset, then tap Reset All Settings. This resets system settings like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and display preferences without deleting your photos, apps, or other personal data. Finally, check for an iOS update by going to Settings, General, then Software Update. Install any available update as it may include a fix for display-related issues. If the green screen still remains after trying these steps, the problem is likely hardware-related and the display may need to be repaired or replaced. So that's basically how you can fix a green screen on your iPhone. That's it for this video. Thanks.